Brazilian pastel are one of the most famous and delicious street food in Brazil. Take a bowl, put 350 gram of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and water as required. Now knead it with your hands. Once done, cover it with cling wrap and set it aside for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the fillings. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Next, add 400 grams of minced meat, 2 pieces of chopped garlic cloves, 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, 1 small-sized chopped onion, and give it a stir. Let's add spices: 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and salt according to your taste. Now keep stirring it slowly until your mince is properly cooked. It's time to shape the pastel. Take the dough you made, flatten it out. Cut a rectangle out of it and put it aside. Repeat the process so we can have another piece of rectangle. Put your minced meat in the center. Put the second rectangle on top of it. And close the sides with the help of a fork. Repeat the same process for each pastel. We're going to deep fry them at 350 Fahrenheit until they are golden brown from each side. Once done, put them on a cooling rack for a few minutes so you won't lose their crispiness. Your amazing, pocket-sized, delicious Brazilian pastel are ready to be served. Enjoy.